Good day everyone, I'm Cadet Carmichael Pauni Banem. I will discuss and how to announce distress, urgency, and safety measures. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is the motor vessel Oceanic Star IMO number 752010, call sign BZ5401, position 34° north, 118° west. We are experiencing a major fire in the engine room. We have 5 persons on board requesting immediate assistance. Over. Panpan, Panpan, Panpan. This is the sailing vessel Seabirds, call sign WX571, position 25° south, 135° east. We have suffered significant hull damage due to collision with an unknown objective. Talking on water, requesting assistance. Over. And thank you so much everyone. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa aking sa panonood ng aking video. Thank you so much.